Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen from noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a package of instant ramen, which includes the noodles and a seasoning packet. Also, decide on any extra toppings you'd like, such as a soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a slice of cheese. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Pour about 2 cups of water into a small pot and bring it to a strong boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling vigorously, gently place the ramen noodles into the pot. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring them a few times to ensure they separate and cook evenly. They should be tender, but still have a slight chew. Once your noodles are perfectly cooked, remove the pot from the heat. This is the ideal time to add the seasoning packet. Stir it in well, making sure the delicious flavor coats all the noodles and broth. Now, for the fun part, add your favorite toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, some crisp green onions, or even a dash of chili oil can elevate your ramen experience. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully transfer the hot ramen from the pot into your favorite serving bowl. You can add a final touch with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or a few more fresh herbs if you like. Your delicious, easy-to-make ramen is now ready to be savored. It's a quick and satisfying meal perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.